Delhi NCR rains. Continuous heavy rainfall over the past few days has thrown life out of gear across Delhi NCR, with severe waterlogging reported in the national capital and adjoining Noida, Gurugram, Ghaziabad, and Faridabad. The IMD has issued an alert for more rain in Delhi NCR today. The India Meteorological Department IMD has issued an alert, warning of heavy rainfall accompanied by thunderstorms in Delhi and its adjoining Noida, Gurugram, Ghaziabad, and Faridabad. Delhi and adjacent areas have been witnessing incessant rains amid the monsoon fury in North India. The national capital city is reeling under a severe downpour, with waterlogging and traffic snarls adding to the woes. Meanwhile, the water level of the river Yamuna in Delhi rose to 207.39 meters, surpassing the 2013 mark of 207.32 meters and becoming the third highest level ever recorded in the city's history. According to the flood update report, it is expected to rise further. According to the Revenue Department, while 8,018 people have been moved to tents, 2,030 have been shifted to 13 permanent shelters. Follow Threads for all the latest up.